thought to myself, shawty got low.
Kyla, move your feet!
Oh my god!
Two trucks having sex. Two trucks having sex.
Okay.
My muscles involuntarily flex.
Yeah.
Having sex.
Oh.
Two trucks having sex.
Yeah.
My muscles involuntarily flex.
Yeah. That way. No, you were supposed to.
Take a right, thank you.
Going forward and then
go past the pool, past the Skittles Club, down the hill to the Dairy Queen.
Yeah. Keep going forward. There was no cars.
So, food review. So, today we'll be trying out Dairy Queen's, I'm recording. Today we're trying the Dairy Queen limited edition cotton candy blizzard. We're gonna see how it tastes.
Eats all of the blizzard.
Okay, so it's got
layers.
So it's So what makes this really good is the fact that like it has this certain taste to it.
It tastes like chocolate.
The taste is very equivalent to some. Well, you would get it.
Yeah, I get it.
It tastes like white chocolate. It tastes like white chocolate.
I completely agree.
Yeah, no.
Oh, baby, give me one more chance. Won't you please let me ask in your heart? Oh, darling, I will gladly let you go. But now since I see you, it is all I do now. Ooh, ooh, baby. Yeah. Trying to live without your love. Spend those sleepless nights. Let me show you, girl, that I know wrong from right.
No, so what I want is your